Hey guys, thanks for joining in. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to access your radio and remove it. Now first thing you want to do is remove these side panels right here. They just pop right off. You can wiggle the top and the bottom. As you can see, my radio is actually coming off already. There you go. Now at this point, your whole radio. There you go. There's a couple clips here. If you choose to remove them, you can remove them. I'm going to try to avoid removing it. Basically, you just want to pinch these two brackets right here and then unclip this. But because I'm just removing the top part, I'm going to go ahead and leave this down here and access the top 10mm. Now there's going to be 4 bolts underneath that you want to remove. Okay, once all 4 bolts are off, you can go ahead and grab the head unit. Just pry it out, push it out a little bit, and then it just pops right out. I like these because it's really easy to access everything here.